Hello students, how are you? Students, in this video we are going to cover our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. Okay, linear equation in two variables. First of all, I want to clear what is variable. You know variable, what is variable, but after all, variables are the quantity which are not fixed. Suppose I am writing x plus 7 is equal to a. X plus 7 is equal to a. Here we can put any value of x to get any value of a. Clear? Suppose I am writing 1 plus 7, then a becomes 8. 2 plus 7, then a becomes 9. Okay, that means the quantity whose value is not fixed is called variables. Okay. Now, equation. What is equation? A statement which contains equal to sign. Suppose I am writing x plus 3 is equal to 6. It is also a statement. It is also a statement. X plus 3 is equal to 6. Here, this sign, equal to sign, is containing, therefore this is an statement. Okay, sorry, equation. Now linear equation. Linear equation means an equation whose degree of the variable is 1. Degree of the variable, it is the variable, and whose degree, that is highest power, is 1. Therefore it is called linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Okay. Now in this chapter we are going to study linear equation in two variables. That means an equation contains two variables is called linear equation one variable, but the degree of two variables will be 1. Okay. Suppose I am writing 3x plus 4y is equal to 9. Here two variables are there. Power of this variable is also 1 and power of this variable is equal to 1. Therefore, this we can say linear equation in two variables. Clear? Now, general form. General form to write linear equation of two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where it is called general form, where a, b and c are constants and a and b are not equal to 0 together. एक साथ दोनों जीरो नहीं होंगे. ए और बी जो है वो एक साथ दोनों जीरो नहीं होंगे, बिकॉज अगर ये दोनों जीरो हो गए दैट मीन्स कांस्टेंट इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. जीरो इज अ कांस्टेंट, सो सी इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ अभी अगर मान लो सी की वैल्यू होती 2, 3, 5 कुछ भी, तो 5 इज इक्वल टू 0 तो होता नहीं. इट कांट बी पॉसिबल. देयरफॉर ये दोनों एक साथ जीरो नहीं होंगे. अगर एक जीरो होता है तो भी ये लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल नहीं होगा, वो लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल में डिपेंड हो जाएगा. क्लियर? सो ए एंड बी आर नॉट इक्वल टू 0 टुगेदर. क्लियर? अच्छा, ये तो हो गया जनरल फॉर्म. ठीक है. सपोज कोई इक्वेशन दिया है 2x माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 3y, और अभी हमको ये बोला गया है कि कन्वर्ट दिस इक्वेशन इन द linear equation in two variable. So what we do, we just write 2x here minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. or we can write, because we have to compare this equation with the general form, so we will write here 2x plus minus 3y plus minus 5 is equal to 0, or we can write 2x plus minus 3y plus minus 5 is equal to 0. Now if we compare this equation to the general equation, then what we get, this implies a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 5. Got it? अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन को जनरल इक्वेशन से कंपेयर करता हूं तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा, a x के साथ जो कांस्टेंट लगा हुआ है दैट इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ a, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज a, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y दैट इज minus 3 is b and constant term that is c is equal to minus 5. तो अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में आपको ये इस टाइप का कोई इक्वेशन दिया है और you have to convert this equation in the linear equation in two variable, then you have to go according to this. Clear? Suppose I am writing 2x is equal to 3. मैंने ये लिखा, it is also an equation. Now we have to convert this equation in the form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so first of all we can write 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. अभी देखो ये linear equation in two variable तो है नहीं, ये linear equation in one variable है, because here only one variable is there. Clear? Now what we do, we will write 2x plus 0y minus 3 is equal to 0. हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि y का टर्म है ही नहीं, अब y का टर्म नहीं है तो हम 0 इंटू वाई लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ वी कैन राइट इट एज 2 इंटू एक्स प्लस 0 इंटू वाई प्लस minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we compare this equation with the general equation of linear equation of two variables. So what we get here, it is a, it is b and it is c. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 3. समझ में आ रहा है बच्चे? इस प्रकार से हम क्या करेंगे, जो भी इक्वेशन दिया है उसको हम लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और ABC की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, सो पॉज द वीडियो टू बी नोटेड डाउन.